just feel like if we talk about it collectively, we will cloud each other's judgments. Yeah.
Rose and J-Paul. That's what we think. Because both of them almost made it last year.
But every other boy is similar, except J-Paul. What's Ibu's reason?
So we're 22 right now, because we're 11-11.
But 2 of them are wild cards now, so obviously they will not vote.
Because I'm thinking now that if they told the Wildcards that they're Wildcards,
that will
make it obvious.
What obvious?
To make them behave.
It's to make them behave.
In a way that you can suspect.
Because I'm looking at everybody's behavior and I can't even fucking have a fucking clue, man.
You see that day we came, she had a panic attack. The first day she had a panic attack.
It's true, she had a panic attack.
Who had a panic attack?
Yeah, she did. When you were introducing, you don't remember?
No, where was I? This house.
I feel like this is... Who do you think is a wild card?
My dear, if I tell you that I know, I'm lying.
Because
look, I think we should ask Big Brother.
For what?
Who? Yeah, like who is the?
When you went for your diary section, did you not ask?
Wild card?
Like clues. I didn't ask.
Big Brother gave us
He didn't
clues.
answer.
They won't answer, it's true.
He didn't answer.
Oh, you
like,
asked?
Yeah, it says the diary session is over.
Clue that we needed.